Hey guys, welcome to RCD RV in Heath, Ohio. I'm Birtcher. We're going to check out the 296 QBLE Surveyor Legend. Let's check it out. Right here you have an outdoor kitchen, got an awesome wash basin, nice spot to put your griddle, outdoor fridge, cook anything you like out here, make great memories with the family. We're around on the other side now. You have a tankless hot water heater here. So any of you guys with big families, maybe a wife who takes a shower way too long, got a nice, tankless hot water heater. It's going to be endless hot water as long as you have propane. So makes it some more of those residential luxuries in an RV. As you see here, you got a nice two-door entry. This one goes into your sleeping area and to your restroom and all that type of stuff. So if you don't want people walking through your coach, or maybe you want the kiddos to go in the back door to not disrupt any sleeping that's going on up here, great two-door entry just for that reason. Something that you can't see on the outside of this coach, it's equipped with what you would call Azel. It's a composite material. Anyone knows fiberglass campers lead to delamination, that kind of stuff. The Azel is a composite material that does not absorb any water, so you'll be cool and not have to worry about all that. Something new that's awesome on these 2025 Surveyors, this lift-in easy open tri-fold sofa. So anyone who knows anything about campers, you know that these things can kind of be of a pain. Right here, 10 seconds. Nice strut assist. Got a nice bed for yourself there. Whole lot easier than having to lift it up and clamp out those legs and all that kind of stuff. And when it's time to wrap it up, strut assist. Nice and easy on those springs. Now this one's called QBLE, Quad Bunk Living Room Entry. So if you see behind you here, nice big quad bunk room, plenty of storage space for the kids' clothes, plenty of room for everyone to sleep. Each one of those bunks is rated up to 300 pounds, so even if you have some adults with you, you'll have plenty of sleeping. Moving on, you got your entertainment center here. So nice mantle, almost residential type. Put some cards or little knickknacks or whatever it may be. Just make sure you take them off before you go down the road and all that. Nice big TV, pretty massive for this living area. I like a big TV, watch games, whatever it is. Plenty of viewing space there. You'll see here, got your control panel, real simple, laid out, easy to tell what's what. Moving on, great dinette here. I'm 6 foot. This would easily be able to sleep me. I've actually tried it out myself. As you can see here, they kept this brown colorway for the 2025. Something most people don't know. These Surveyors, the insides are designed by women. So a lot of times you step in these, they look a lot more, what do you want to say, beautiful, just a lot more put together. Little more eye-catching for that consumer. So nice kitchen area here, out of the way, pinned in that corner. Little shelf extension, so you want to put a little cheese tray or Ritz crackers or something there to snack as people walk around the coach and watch the game or whatever it may be. You got access to be able to do that. Now, something that I haven't mentioned, this coach is equipped with tank heaters. So if you look right down here, there's a little control switch. Makes it to where, early spring, late winter, those of you who want to get out and camp as soon as you can, you're a little worried about the temperature dropping, maybe down into the 40s or 50s overnight, maybe even into the 30s. You can flip this switch on right here. It'll heat up those tanks. That way you don't have to worry about any lines splitting, cracking. Just kind of really extends the season for you extended season campers. Moving into the bedroom, nice full queen size bed here. You got a nice storage area, strut assist, cabinetry you can get down into, your wash basin, griddle, all that. Those of you with sleep app machines, or even you just want a spot to charge your phone, they create a nifty little access port back here for you, as well as dual closets and dual storage areas on both sides. So plenty of room to fit any kind of clothes that you'll need along your camping journey. A couple of things you may have missed on this coach. As you can see, full length awning, so when you're out entertaining, got plenty of cover from the sun. Didn't mention it when I was in the restroom, but you have access to be able to add a second AC. So those of you who maybe get a little hot, don't have any cooling sheets or anything like that, add a second AC in there, cool you down a little bit more. One other thing here, you have a battery disconnect on front. So obviously we don't have any batteries on there at the moment. When you do have batteries on there, you switch that disconnect. That way you don't have to worry about any draw coming from your battery and running it out all the way. Once again, my name is Birtcher. I'm here at RCD RV in Heath, Ohio. You can find us online at rcdrv.com. This is the Surveyor 296 QBLE. Come check it out.